Hey guys, welcome to Rotary TV. So this is Mia. So today we're going to unboxing a new Yojimbo hammer drill.
Mini jackhammer.
So guys, this is
Case.
the
The hard case.
hard case is so very heavy. So guys, this is the router function.
Rotary.
Rotarian function like. Okay guys, we take off first this one.
Para sa'yo na lang
Yes.
katangon.
Because I'm the weakest. So guys, these are the specifications. Like this one guys. Read it before you can just skip it.
Okay.
And guys, this is electricity.
And we will show you how to use it also.
Yes.
Okay. Kaya na siya.
And
We'll
this
teach
one
them na
guys.
lang. Okay. Muna siya ang kuyog. See, okay.
Speak English, man. Don't be alright, guys.
Ay.
So I'll let you see how to open. Like 1, 2.
Okay.
It's so very easy. So it's good and perfect. No one's broken, but
So, mo ni ang ilang.
koyog.
3 ha. Drill bits. 1, 3. This is for
The
cement.
cement. So guys, we're going to take it off. This one is the
Chuck.
chuck. It's a chuck. So we're going to put it in the side. We're going to put this
We'll show you how to
here
use the chuck. Later na lang. Sige.
later. So
That one, what is that one?
this one is an oil.
You open it. That is grease.
Slippery. It's a great type of oil. Oh! It
Put
look
it
like
back, put it back.
It look like a poop.
No, that's not a poop. That's grease.
Grease, but the color is look like a poop.
Okay, so
Okay,
where's the manual?
We're going.
That's the rubber
Rubber.
sealer. Oh, sige.
Okay,
I am Terminator.
guys. This is
Kung ang manual?
so this is the manual, guys. They have a free like this
Carbon brush.
carbon brush.
Okay, so set
So
aside.
guys, we're going to put it here. I look so good. So guys, so we're going to open here. So very heavy and
It also has a free. This is the breaker. This is the
oh,
chipping.
let's fight. Hiya!
That is the brake here. I'll show them the breaker.
And this one, guys, there's something is missing.
That is for the chuck.
Oh, great.
And
No.
this one is for the there, that one. Okay. Excuse us. Excuse this one.
Ugh. Ugh. I'm too pretty weak, guys. Right. Ugh. Okay. So out of here, we're going to
Is the
a hammer drill. Okay. We have
mini
this.
jackhammer with drill function.
This is the switcher,
Switch.
and this is the holder like this. But it's a very heavy, guys. And this one for the I don't know what is this.
That's for the. You will choose if it is
Slow or fast.
drill only or hammer drill. Hammer drill is used for breaking.
Breaking tiles.
Yeah, breaking tiles. You have to, if you break tiles like that one, switch that one there. If you only need to make a hole, you have to switch this one. Like that. And this one
And that.
is for changing from if you want to make a hole of wood. So you have to transfer that for wood only. Wood and like that. We'll show them how to use this one, okay?
Ah! Take it off.
Okay, take it off.
Cannot take it off. Wait, where should I? Oh, exactly what I think. So sometimes, guys, when I was a kid, I will always find this right here at my side. Sometimes I will play it. Sometimes I'll eat it.
You should not eat it.
So guys, that's the truth.
Alright, let's borrow a extension wire.
I'm serious, man. It's okay for here.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Magic. So guys, we're going to test what this is. I just want to...
No, later pa na siya. Under sa na to. Oh, try pa na. Let's try it to... let's put it that one. There. That one also there. No, not there. There. Okay.
So,
Okay.
let's do it again.
Okay. Let's try to put...
Oh, I don't want to hold it. It's so scary.
This one. If you will use a breaker, this is used for like breaking stones. You have to
Drake.
hold please. This is how you will put it. You
No, guys,
like
please.
that. See. Pull. Kusog. Wala may power akong partner. Like that one.
Ow!
Sorry. Okay. You will know that it is locked if it cannot be. That's it. And you will put the settings to hammer. Sige.
Oh no!
Ay, no, never, not yet. Do not plug it. Hammer with drill. This one. Sige, you switch.
No thanks.
Go ahead. Fire. Like that. So, if you will use this
I don't wanna have this.
breaker, you have to put in the breaking, and this one also in the hammer and drill function. Okay. No, do not. Sige. Switch on.
I hate this, guys. No, please. No. They won't. I don't want to try it, guys.
That's wrong because it is moving circular. So you have to put it on hammer only.
Oh, guys, my father is doing.
Okay, hammer only. Go. That's it. Hammer only. Okay. Huh? Naka na siya o kuha na siya. Drill na siya. So if you will change to drill function, you have to take off that one. Yeah. Sige, push.
Help me.
Okay. Then we will...
This looks like type of an archer, like this, guys. Look.
No, do not play that one.
Put it right there. It's done.
Okay, so we will change this one. Go. Okay. Be sure that it's locked. So if you are going to use the drill, you have to switch drill to hammer drill. This is used for concrete drilling.
You just make my hand hurt.
Okay.
So, again, plug.
Okay, so guys, it has a rotary function.
And guys,
So
Guys.
that's it. If you use drilling with cement. Okay.
hey guys, it looks like someone is tucking on my hair.
So
Like
next
my hair
time,
is like here.
next guys, is we will show you how to use this using chuck.
Close doors and open window.
Pull, Mia. Pull.
No, you didn't.
Okay.
Well, my
So
mama
to use this chuck so that you can use it for drilling wood and metal, you have to use this extension.
Do we need it?
Yeah. Right. Okay.
Make sure it's locked again.
Then you have to. That's it with rotary. That's okay. With rotary, you have to switch this one here
For the wood.
for the wood.
Eh.
No, that's
Because
just put it there like that. So now it is okay. Sige, pandar. It will work without a hammer, so that you can.
Hammer.
Oh, no hammer. So that this is the specialty of this one, guys. Is you can see go. See, there is no hammer, only rotary. So you can use a drill bits. So pwede ni siya, guys, sa wood o sa metal. Well, we will show you how to put a drill bits. Okay, guys, so we will get some drill bits.
Only
This is for metal.
It's only for free.
No, this is not
No.
included. This is ours. What cannot be opened.
Maybe he did it like you.
Okay, so we'll put it in the chuck here, guys.
Don't be serious.
And you have to lock that one. Okay, so Mia can drill. Go. So now you can drill wood from it. One more. So this is a very heavy duty drill, guys, for wood, metal, and cement. So
Okay. Thank you guys for watching our unboxing a new
mini
jackhammer.
jackhammer with rotary functions
Yes.
and can be used with wood
Metal
and
and cement.
cement. Okay. Good job.
So guys, please do comment below. And
If it will not be disabled by YouTube.
yes, yeah, but others has been disabled by YouTube, guys. Sorry for that. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.
Yeah, we will post a link below in where you can purchase
Okay,
the item.
guys. Maybe we have another video in the morning. We're going to ride something. So
Where?
in the water bus. Water bus or
Water
water
jeepney.
But it's so very scary that there, guys, because the boat is so very small and the water is over with your window.
Okay, see.
So
Bye-bye.
okay, guys. See you tomorrow morning. Bye.